Dawuni, welcome to Asante Kotoko.
Thank you.
First of all, how excited are you to have this opportunity of being at Kotoko?
First of all, I'll thank Almighty God for giving me this opportunity to be part of this noble family. I'm so much excited.
How did it happen? Who contacted you first? And when you received the news that possibly you have the chance of playing for Kotoko, how did you receive the news, and who was the first person that you relayed the information to?
First of all, it was a coach who saw me. That was when I went to the national camp, the Meteors. I went to the Meteors, but last minute I was dropped. That was when the coach saw me, and then we contacted. That was where everything started.
You said the first person who approached you for the potential move to Kotoko was Coach Prosper Nate Ogo.
Yeah.
How do you see the prospect of working with him, looking at how experienced he is?
Yeah, Coach Prosper is very experienced, and then he has won the league before, and then he has been to the national camps several times. So working with Coach Prosper, I think I'm ready to learn a lot from him.
Who did you first inform about Kotoko's interest in you?
Yeah, when I heard the news, I was so excited. So the person I contacted first was my mom and my dad. They were the first people I told Kotoko has shown interest in me. They were also excited for hearing the news.
Did they instantly give you the thumbs up, the green light that?
Yeah, because it's every player's dream to play for Kotoko. So the moment I told them, they were excited.
It's a club with huge following, massive expectations, and being at Kotoko is no child's play. How are you going to absorb the pressure that comes with playing for Kotoko, and how ready are you to take on this journey?
I know there are a lot of challenges playing for Kotoko, pressure in and a bit. As a player, I need to focus, train hard. When I train hard, I'm sure I'll be able to contain all pressure.
What sort of a defender are you, and who has been your idol in the game?
Yeah, I'm a tough defender. I'm not the defender a striker will be joking with. I don't like strikers who keep the ball. Then no, I'm not that type of. I'm the aggressive type. Mm-hmm. So I make sure when a striker have the ball, I time and then I take the ball from the striker. And then my idol is Sergio Ramos.
Sergio Ramos.
Yes, Sergio Ramos. I like the way he plays. He's very fit, and then I like his play. So he's my idol.
Okay. Has there ever been any Kotoko player that you liked in the history that you followed? You wish you had met him, and first of all, are you even a fan of the club?
Yeah, I'm a fan of the club, and currently the player I cherish in Kotoko is Sheriff.
Sheriff Mohammed.
Yeah, Sheriff. I do follow him sometimes. I watch his play, so I learned a lot from him.
Yeah. This is a team that always assembles quality players, and competition in the team is always tough. How are you readying yourself for that competition? And are you somebody who is always afraid of competition? And how are you going to pick up a place and cement it for yourself?
As a player, competition is everywhere. So you, the player, has to tune your mind to be able to contain the competition. Because competition, everywhere you go, there's competition. So as a player, I'm a player who like challenge. I like to challenge, to prove people wrong.
What is your ambition for the club, the immediate term, the long term? Personally, what you seek to achieve?
Yeah, my ambition for the club is to help the club achieve more trophies. Yeah, I'm here to help the club achieve more trophies, and then to win the incoming season. Probably we can win the season, and then go for Africa.
The Ghana Premier League is a competition you've not tasted before, and you are joining a club that plays its football at the Baba. Yahaya Sports Stadium, the most iconic stadium in the history of Ghana football. How does that put pressure on you, or do you ever think of what possibly a park by Yahaya Sports Stadium is going to look like, and how are you going to absorb that atmosphere?
Yeah, I think that's a tough question, but I'm going to answer. This is my first time playing the Ghana Premier League, and then as a player, you have to be ready for everything. You make sure you get to the pitch, you prepare yourself well, and then everything will be okay.
Every footballer has their favorite number. What's yours? Which number do you prefer?
My favorite number is number 23.
Number 23?
Yeah.
Is there any special?
Yeah, because I was born on the 23rd of November. So
23rd of November.
Yeah.
So in case you don't get a 23 shirt at Kotoko, which number would you
number
opt
5.
for? Number 5. Yeah. Because you are the rock at the back.
Yes.
How should our supporters address you whenever they see you around? What name should they shout?
Rocky Dawuni.
Rocky Dawuni. Talk of the opportunities at Kotoko. I know football is a profession, and at the end of the day, you'll be looking at your accounts, the paycheck, and what you earn at the end of the month. What would you want to do with your first salary that you receive from Kotoko?
Okay. What I would like to do with my first salary at Kotoko is to donate to the orphanage. Yeah, I've always had that in mind. Even when I've not joined Kotoko, I've had that in mind. Any team I play that I will receive any little, I'm going to donate to the orphanage.
Why the orphanage? Is it because you've been a victim of without parents or something, or you just have passion and compassion?
No. My parents are still alive, but I'm the type who like to help. I have passion for people who lack, and I'm the type who like to help.
If you were not a footballer, if you had not chosen the path of football, what would you have wished to be, like a profession you would have wanted to take up?
I have feeling for music.
You wanted to be a musician.
Yeah.
Is there any particular musician in Ghana that you love so much? Shatawale.
Yeah.
So why Shatawale? And is there any particular song of Shatawale? Possibly you can sing a line or two.
Oh no, I can't sing.
So why is Shatawale?
I like the way he performs, and then I like the way
the energy.
Is
that the sort of attitude you possess?
Yeah.
Like you are that hyper type of a guy.
Yeah.
Wow. So which song from Shatawale among the numerous songs that he has do you love so much?
I think Kakai.
So are you going to scare the strikers at the back? Yeah. So you be coming like Kakai?
Yes.
Then speak to the strikers potential who will be meeting you.
I am Dawuni. I'm here to stay. Strikers, watch out.
Thank you very much, and welcome to the greatest club in Ghana.
Thank you.